every one of you who is watching right now and going through something, kahit ano pa po ang pinagdadaanan ninyo, believe God loves you more than you love yourself. And God loves your family more than you love your family. And He has great plans for you. And all you have to do is surrender and have trust. Ano po natutunan ko about faith? Faith comes with a lot of trust. Ibig sabihin, once you say your prayers to the Lord and you cry to the Lord and you say, Lord, ito po ang problema ko. Dapat once you say your prayer, once you tell the Lord, Lord, please take over and overtake me with your blessing. This is my problem. Please take over. Ikaw nang bahala. Dapat paglabas mo, you have that peace and joy in your heart because you trust that God has taken over